grade 8. I am very happy to welcome to you to our Geetha Science Lab. Next, our friends will show equipments and explain about it, and I am very amazed to hear that we are also doing experiments.
This is RBF. It is also called round bottom flask. This is beaker. It is 250 ml.
These are thinner funnels. It is used to add acid drops drop by drop with dropper in this experiment.
It is spatula. It is look like a spoon. We can measure with this calcium carbonate. 1 spoon is equals to 1 gram.
This is a digital thermometer. It can measure exact temperature of a body.
It is pipette used to measure and pipette out.
It is galvanometer and it is multimeter. Thank you. Screen. It is useful to show the image. Ammeter. It shows the rate of passing current. Thank you. 6 maximum minimum thermometer. It is used to measure maximum and minimum temperature. Laboratory thermometer. It is used to measure chemical temperature. Thank you. This is voltmeter and this is stopwatch. We can stop on and off. It is burette used to measure liquids and for titration. From nozzle the liquids are released by opening and the liquids are closed by stopping. It is a test tube stand.
It's a boiling tube. We can arrange it with chemicals in the test tube.
With chemicals, we arrange these test tubes like this. Without chemicals, we invert these test tubes in the stand. It's a measuring flag used to measure. Now I have 25 ml of water and this is delivery tube. Thanks.
This is distilled water container. It is used to do experiments.
This is spring balance. It is used to measure any object on this. Now the grams is 350 and newtons is 3.5. Thank you.
It is tripod stand and it is Bunsen burner used to heat chemicals. It is wire gauge used to arrange chemical containers on it. Thank you.
This is magnesium sulfate. This is calcium hydroxide. This is ammonium sulfate. This is aluminum sulfate.
These are some chemicals are in powder form used in experiment. This is ammonium chloride and this is sodium chloride. This is sodium nitrate and this is copper sulfate.
It is glass prism used to get rainbow. It is sodium bicarbonate. It is potassium chloride.
This is the blue litmus paper. This is the red litmus paper. These are indicators to solids and bases. These are the ammonium sulfide and it is lead oxide. These chemicals are used in experiments.
Now I am going to show the reaction of phenolphthalein with acid and base. First we should take acid, lemon water in test tube 1. Then add few phenolphthalein drops. You can observe that there is no change in color. Then take test tube 2. Add some soap water. And then take few drops of phenolphthalein to it. You can observe the change of color to it. This is to prove that when phenolphthalein is reacted with lemon, it gives no color, but when phenolphthalein is added to soap water, it gives color change. Now I am going to show the color change of litmus paper in acids and bases. For acids I am taking lemon water, for bases I am taking soap water. For checking the acid we should take blue litmus paper. When we put this blue litmus paper in acid lemon water, it changes into red litmus. For checking the base soap water, we should take red litmus. If we put this in blue base, it turns into blue. Litmus papers are obtained from lichens. These works as indicators to test whether the substance is acids or base.
Checking methyl orange indicator reacts with acids and bases. Taking the test tube, pour the lemon water, take the methyl orange of few drops, with acid it reacts to it turns to red in color with basic. It turns to yellow in color. Methyl orange indicator. It is an synthetic indicator. It is used to find the substance is acid or bases. With acid it reacts with red in color, and with bases it reacts in yellow in color. Thank you.